Hello guys, welcome to new video. So today in this video I'm going to tell you about one programming language which is developed by me called as Gavathilang. So this programming language is basically a fun project where anyone who want to program in Marathi language, like there is a Bhailang who offers you to program in Hindi language. So I have created similar kind of stuff which able to program in the uh, Marathi language. The Bhailang which is built on the top of JavaScript, but this language is built on the top of Python. So first, if you want to use that language, you need to go to the VS Code, and then in VS Code you need to go to the extensions. You need to install one extension called as Gavathilang language support extension, so that you can get the uh, highlighting for your extension. So you need to type Gauthi in your extensions, and you will be going to see this website. Just a second, let me go there. You will see this extension which is published by me. Just verify this Sonu Sugarma is publisher or not. After that verification, just click on the install button. I already installed it, that's why I don't want to install it again. Okay, now next step, you need to go to the terminal. In terminal, just want to install the Gauti language. I already told you it's built on the top of Python, so you need to use pip install gautilang gautilang-cli. Just type this. You will be going to install the gautilang-cli, which will help you to run the gautilang codes. So I have created that pip install gautilang-cli. It's already installed in my system. If it's not installed in your system, just write pip install gautilang-cli. It will automatically install that CLI into your system, right, into your system. Yeah. Now let's create one file called as hello gauthi. You should give the extension .gauthi to run this what I can say programming language. So I given that. So if I want to get the codes and the documentation, you need to just type Gavathilang in your Google, and you will be going to get first website which will be definitely a Gavathilang because it's unique product, right? So I will just show you. I guess internet is low, connection is low actually. Yeah, this is the website, right? So you need to go there. It will be ranked first because it's obviously one and only one website, right? So I am going to that website. You can see here the documentation. Let me copy this hello world program. So let's go into this file gauthi extension file. As you can see, it's giving me highlighting also. Because why it's giving me highlighting? Because I have installed this extension. This extension provides the language support, which will include syntax highlighting, extension, etc things. So you need to install that extension, that's why. So it's automatically highlighted that things. Now what I need to do, if I want to run this code, what I can do, let me first save this code. Now it's saved. Let me go here. You need to just type gavathilang gavathilang, then whatever your file name is, hello.gavathi. So as you can see, hello world is displayed, right? So this is the way. If you specify wrong extension, it will show the file extension should have this extension type, right? So if I specify correctly, it will run. So this is the whole Gautilang code. Gautilang. You can also code here also. This is the playground for the Gautilang. You can code here also. You want source code, you can go here. If you want source code of this website, you can head on to this Sonu Vishwakarma GitHub and you can use that. But yeah, that's it. So this is the whole about this new programming language. If you want, you can explore by installing this in your Windows, Linux, anywhere you want, because it's a pip file, right? So you can install that and try it. You need to just install this extension. Yeah, thank you, and try this new programming language.